Hello everybody, uh, this is my picture and my name is Felipe Noreña. I am 27 years old. I I live in Ciudad Compartir in Bogota. Um, I I am studying electronic engineering in the CEA and I continue to my infographic. Uh, my infographic is about Puente Nacional Santander and my personal experience the last January I traveled to Puente Nacional. I did different activities in this place. I played soccer with my friends, swam in the creek, shared a drink with my friends. I enjoyed the scenery of the mountains. I traveled by my motorcycling and enjoyed the road. I like going because I disconnect from the world. Where I stayed is a place without internet, with low reception on cell phones. Literally, I moved away from the world. It is not the most beautiful place in the world. It is only the necessary and the one that I hope to distract the mind from their routine. Um, and now show you the recommendation in this place. Uh, you should take a walk around the town and know its history and culture. You should rappel in the Los Reyes waterfall. You should mountain biking for the different land places. You should eat bocadillo in the town. And you should swim in the Suarez River. You should participate of coffee festival in April. And you should enjoy the town parties in June. And you shouldn't go to the cavalcades in a state of intoxication for alcohol. Um, the loading, the loading. My recommendation is the Agua Blanca Hotel. Is is the good place to stay. Economic. Uh, the weather depend of uh, depend the stations of month of February to May. There are cold days with rain. Of June to October there are warm and it's much sunny. And of November to January there is sun and wind and very cloudy days. And this is all my experience of Puente Nacional Santander. Thank you.